1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a great big giant Paw Patrol. Did someone say Paw Patrol? That's right, Chase, we have Paw Patrol. Yay! What Paw Patrol do we have? Let's take a look. It's the Paw Patroller! Wow, this can carry all of our vehicles. This is awesome! I can't wait to get a better look. And look, it comes with Ryder and his ATV. Let's check out the back. Wow, look, this is pretty big. It can fit in all of our people. It has all sorts of special features. Wow, it even has sounds. I can't wait to get it open. Do you want to open it with me? We've got some stickers. Let's take a look at Ryder. Here's his ATV. It's pretty cool. It looks pretty much the same as the other ones we've had. There's no big differences. But I can see some differences in our new Ryder compared to our old Ryder. He has blue stripes and he is just red. Whoa! Look at those arms. They're much more flexible. This one's is not so much. This one is harder to do. So, both of them are fun to have. Which one do you like better? Okay, let's check out the Paw Patroller. Here it comes, here it comes. Whoa, look at that. Look, it has a badge. I wonder what the badge does. It's got lots of sounds. You know what else it does? It helps us open our Paw Patroller. When you turn that, a little lever goes and you can open it. Wow, we have another button. It's the same sounds. And look, the front part opens so we can display all of our Paw Patrol pups. And we put that down so they could go into the Paw Patroller. We even have a little elevator. And we have a door here that they can come out of. I wonder how many Paw Patrols can fit inside. Should we check it out? Look, it's Chase. Look, it's Everest. It looks like one more can fit in there. Let's go find another. Look, everybody. It's Rebel. Look, it's blocked. He can't get on. Oh, poor Zuma. He wants on too, but look, we also have a door at the back so Zuma can get on. Get on, Zuma, get on. Let's close the door. We can't really go while the vehicles are on because those will fall off. Let's put Ryder in. All right, everybody, let's go. Let's shut the front. want to know what I want to know? I want to know if the same amount of racers can fit on. Let's see who we have here. We have Rocky the Racer. We have Marshall the Racer. We have Zuma the Racer. We have Rubble the Racer. We have Chase the Racer. And we even have Sky the Racer. Wow! Look at all the Paw Patrol team. We still need a couple more to complete our set, don't we? But let's see if the racers could fit in. Let's move the other Paw Patrol off. Okay, now let's get all of our racers on. Me first, me first. Look, we could fit lots of racers on this. Let's see how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's close the lid. And let's see if we can fit 6 of our Paw Patrol up in the front. We already have Ryder. There's Chase. There's Marshall. There's Zuma. Then we have Rubble. And let's see if Everest could fit inside. Everest is going to sit on Ryder's lap. Everest! How many did we fit inside of there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay, we got 6 inside there too. With the racers, you could close your Paw Patroller and you could even go really fast. Wow! That's really cool. I kind of like it better with racers. Okay, thank you guys for watching our video. Everest, get off! Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys. Bye, everybody.